So yesterday I read a quote from Chef's PSA. A chef's success didn't happen overnight. It happened when no one was watching. This quote really resonated with me because it speaks to the essence of what it is to be a chef. Despite my journey and experiences, I still hesitate to see myself as fully successful just yet. It's not just about what happens in the kitchen when the orders are coming in. It's about the hard work and dedication you put in outside of the kitchen. I remember when I first started out, I invested a workbook and a textbook and I started to study. I spent hours in my home kitchen following recipes and learning from my mistakes. I invested in quality ingredients and I honed my skills until it became second nature to me. To me, success as a chef is more than just mastering recipes or even having my title on my coat. It's about knowing your craft inside and out, being willing to learn and grow, and most importantly, mentoring the next generation of chefs. So to all the aspiring chefs out there, I want to encourage you. When it gets tough, when you feel like giving up, that's when you need to start pushing harder. It's those moments of struggle that mold you into becoming a better chef. Don't ever take the easy way out. Keep practicing, keep pushing yourself, and stay disciplined. Success doesn't come overnight, but with persistence and dedication, you can achieve anything. Now, before I go, I want to hear from you. What are you doing to become a better chef? Please share your thoughts in the comments. And please remember, success is a journey, and it's the hard work you put in when no one's watching that will define your success.